Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing good. And this week we are going to switch it up a little bit. So far, we unboxed whatever Hot Wheels came to India. I mean, like I'm talking about the actual, like this JK cases. Until that point, we unboxed everything. Maybe apart from the McLaren Speedtail, that is a STH. I'm saving that up for something really big. So this week we are going to unbox like Majorettes mostly and one Hot Wheels. So let me just show you that because Majorette is doing really great nowadays compared to 2023. So even back then those castings were absolutely awesome, but this time they they kicked up to another level. So let's start with this one. So this is Ford Focus, yes, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yeah, Ford Focus ST. Okay, this looked really nice, so I bought it. Okay, so this one I was waiting for so long for this one by Majorette. So the Lamborghini Centenario, and I bought this one. So they went with pink, but at least we got something. So honestly, I don't know whether I have a Centenario in Hot Wheels. I think I have a that Roadster version. I don't know. So it's good to have the Majorette version because this one actually has this acrylic headlights and also, and it has full blown details like the tail light details and everything. So I bought it. So obviously I bought two. So and again I'm not going to sell that. So okay, this is the Range Rover Evoque. This is from their premium car series. So this looked absolutely gorgeous, and someone was asking me about this to unbox. So I bought it. And next one is my personal favorite in this particular case, I mean series, which is this one, the Toyota GRM and Yaris. So this looks absolutely gorgeous, and it has openable part and everything. So we are going to see how this one looks. So I really can't wait to get my hands on this one. And last but not least, which is this one, so the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. So I recently saw in a video that Hot Wheels actually did this in premium just very recently. I'm talking about in I saw this video I think yesterday. So they are doing this casting in premium right now. So but I personally prefer the Majorette version because again the detailing and all the headlight detailing and everything that and even though they did that in premium, that is not going to have a acrylic headlight or anything. That is going to be a painted headlight, and not like this. So and last but not least, so someone was asking me about this sometime back actually to unbox this, so I bought it, which is this one. So the Action Comics Action Sedan. So I do remember, I watched Superman when I was a kid. I was talking about the original series, so which was hand drawn and animated. So that was really nice version actually. So if you guys never watched that particular version, go ahead and watch it. That really started everything when it comes to Superman. So that this is how he looks in even in that series. So it is in even available in YouTube. Someone actually uploaded all the episodes. So this looked really nice because it has this comic livery. So I bought it. So these are things we are going to unbox this week, guys. So stay tuned for this. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.